Chapter 4: Food and Health. We all need food to stay alive and remain fit and healthy. Food gives us energy to do different kinds of work. It helps our body grow well. It also helps in healing our body's wear and tear and protect us from many diseases. Whenever we smell delicious food, our nose picks up the smell and sends it to the brain. The brain sends signal to our mouth to salivate. Food contains different kinds of useful substances that our body needs. These substances are called nutrients. The main nutrients in the food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins. Let us learn how these nutrients work in our body to keep us fit and healthy. Proteins. Proteins are needed to build new cells. They also repair the damaged cells of the body after an injury or sickness. Thus, proteins are body-building nutrients. Children need to consume a lot of proteins because they are in the growing stage of their life. The main sources of proteins are eggs, fish, meat, pulses, milk, and cheese. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are our body's main source of energy. They are called energy-giving nutrients. They burn inside the body to keep us warm. People who do a lot of physical work need more carbohydrates in their diet. The simplest carbohydrates are starch, sugar, and glucose. The main source of carbohydrate-rich foods are bread, rice, wheat, potatoes, fruits, and sweets. Fats. Fats also give energy to our body. In fact, fats give more energy than carbohydrates. 1 gram of fat gives us 9 calories of energy, whereas 1 gram of carbohydrate provide only 4 calories of energy. But consuming too much of fat is not good for health. It causes obesity. Obesity increases the risk of heart disease and other health problems. The main source of fats are butter, ghee, cream, cheese, nuts, and oils. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help in keeping us fit and healthy. They are called protective foods. Our body needs only a small quantity of vitamins and minerals, but a diet without them may cause many diseases. Minerals make our teeth and bones strong. Calcium, phosphorus, iron, and iodine are also some important minerals. Vitamins and minerals are found in green vegetables, fresh fruits, and milk. Besides these nutrients, roughage and water are also needed by our body. Roughage is the fiber found in cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Roughage keeps the bowel movement proper and therefore prevents constipation. Water helps in proper digestion of food. It also helps in removing waste from our body in the form of urine and sweat. We should drink about 8 glasses of water every day. A balanced diet. What will happen if we continue to eat only one kind of food daily? It will cause deficiency of other nutrients in the body. Our body will not work properly and we may develop certain infections or diseases. So, it is essential to take all the nutrients in food to keep the body healthy. The diet that contains all the nutrients, water, and roughage in the right amount is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us fit and healthy. Food safety. We ought to take proper care of food that we eat. Here are a few measures which may be useful in keeping food safe and healthy to consume. Wash and clean vegetables and fruits thoroughly to remove dirt, dust, and chemicals. Always cook food in a clean vessel or utensil. Food should neither be undercooked or be overcooked. Undercooked food may contain harmful germs and is difficult to digest. Overcooked food loses most of the vitamins and minerals. Keep food in a cool and dry place. Food kept in a cool place stays fresh for a longer time. Fruits and vegetables can be kept in a fridge to keep them fresh for a long time. Vegetables, fruits, meat, and fish can also be preserved by drying and salting. Some fruits and vegetables can be preserved by pickling them. The pickle is normally stored in a dry jar with an airtight covered lid. Always use a dry spoon to take out pickle from the jar. Pickle gets spoiled if a wet hand or a wet spoon is used. Dry food items like cereals and pulses also get spoiled if they are not stored properly. They must be stored in dry and airtight containers. Insects and rats cause huge damage to food grains. They also act carriers of diseases. Therefore, food grains should be stored in proper containers. Food items exposed to dust and flies also cause diseases. Diseases such as diarrhea, typhoid, and cholera are often caused due to consumption of exposed food. Therefore, food should always be kept away from flies, germs, and dust.